Even LG is getting into the VR game this year, as it's just announced a couple of VR accessories for the LG G5. There's the LG 360 VR headset and the LG 360 Cam camera. Now the LG 360 VR headset doesn't quite work like the Gear VR. It doesn't use your smartphone as the display. Instead, you plug it in with a USB cable into your smartphone, and it has its own displays in the headset, 2 of them, one for each eye, with a resolution of 960 by 720. Now that to me seems like a whole lot less than using your 2K screen on your smartphone in the Gear VR. It's certainly less than the Oculus Rift or the Vive, and when I tried it out, I could definitely tell that the resolution was a little bit lacking. There was quite a bit of a screen door effect there. It was hard to focus. There was no way to adjust the lenses in or out. It seems like a really, really low-cost accessory. It also seems to be focused primarily on video and photo content, not on applications like the Gear VR is, like games and other VR experiences. It uses its own proprietary software, and I think that's really going to be kind of the nail in the coffin for this, because it doesn't have that ecosystem, that Oculus ecosystem you get with the Gear VR, or even Google Cardboard's ecosystem. It's all of its own thing. The quality just wasn't that great. There was a whole lot of light leakage coming in from the sides. So the fact that it's lightweight, the fact that it's probably inexpensive are great, but to my mind, you're better off spending $99 on a Gear VR. You're gonna have a much better experience than this. Then there's the LG 360 Cam. It is a 360-degree photo and video taking gadget that you whip out of your pocket and press a button, and it seamlessly takes a 360-degree video or photo around you and beams it to your phone. It uses 2 13-megapixel cameras on either side with really, really wide fisheye lenses. And then when you take a photo, it stitches them together into a single 16-megapixel surround photo or takes high-resolution video. We couldn't get it to work too well here in the demo room because there's a lot of cameras trying to connect to a lot of phones. But I really kind of worry that 2 cameras isn't enough to get a really good quality sphere around you. It seems like where the 2 fisheye lenses meet up, you're going to get a lot of distortion and a lot of poor resolution where they stitch together. I'm not really even sure there's a market for this. I don't know who wants to take 360-degree video that's not in 3D, but if you want to, it's a nice, handy, small dongle to make that happen. This seems to be LG's strategy with the LG G5. It's announcing a lot of accessories, just throwing everything at the wall, see what sticks. They don't seem really polished. A lot of them don't seem really useful. Some of them seem kind of half-assed. You really can't do that, especially in VR, where there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of really money going into it, a lot of polished stuff. You just can't do it just because you feel like, well, we've got to have a VR thing. And that's kind of what it feels like here. The quality just isn't there.